Hey, good evening, everybody. Welcome to the Sunday edition of the Poshmark Premiere. I have about 10 or 11 items to show you. These items are all available in my closet, and the description is listed below. Before I go any further, I just want to remind you that that little pink button that you see over here is for you to subscribe. So if you could view the videos and subscribe and even share, that would be great. Thank you for being here. The first item I have to show you is this camo design dress. It's a stretch fabric. The sleeves are plain, just straight up and down. This is a size large and it's by Eye Candy. I like this little detail, crossover detail in the front. The back is plain and it just goes straight down. Once again, there's quite a bit of stretch in here. So while this says a large, I think if you're a little bit bigger than a large, you could probably get away with it. It's by Eye Candy. Next item is this peasant style blouse. It's very sheer. It has cute little puffy sleeves with elastic at the end of them. The back looks exactly like the front. This is a size large, but I think if you're not a size large or smaller than that, you could wear this item as well. The next thing I have is a bag. This bag is like a macrame style with a little shimmery lining. This is by the Sack. Here's the bottom. It's kind of like a rounded bottom with brown leather straps. Let me show you the inside. So the inside has a couple different compartments. You got this one. Then you have this one where you can just kind of slide your cell phone in there, something that you need to get to quickly. And then, of course, you have the whole middle portion that you can just put just about anything in there. Once again, this is by the Sack. And if you like this item, click on the description below. The next item is this bag by Rebecca Minkoff. This is more of a satchel type bag, and it has a little detailing here, and then it has this funky little tassel that's hanging from it. It does have little notches here if you want to put a shoulder strap on it. Unfortunately, the shoulder strap does not come with the bag. I'm going to open this up so you can see all the room that you have in it. So I have it stuffed. That's what you're seeing there. You have two little pockets there. You have a zipper side pocket there. So anything that you can fit in here, there it is. It's very roomy, I think. But once again, it has the little tassel on there, and it also has the Rebecca Minkoff little emblem that's attached. It's a pebble type leather, and it's tan in color. Next up is this straw bag by James Draper. Now it has a little tie attached to it. Of course, you can change that out to match your outfit if you'd like. It has a little detail that you can see. I would say it's a shoulder type strap bag, and I'll show you the inside. So you have the zipper portion there. It's a snap closure, and then it's just open at the bottom. Blue is the color of the interior. Once again, this little tie is interchangeable if you want to change it to match your outfit. Let me see. The next item I have is this little wallet. And this is by Laundry by Shelley Seagal. Now, this is a cute little wallet. You see the little bling at the top. You see the gold studs that go around it. It's red leather. Now, when you open it, you get this funky little design. There's snaps on the inside, so it snaps open, and you can put your credit cards in there. Then on this side, you can put your ID in this little plastic piece right there. But it's a really cute little wallet. Once again, it's Laundry by Shelley Seagal. If you like this little number, click on its description below, and you will be taken right to it in my Poshmark closet. Next up are these espadrille type sandals. They have a nice little wedge on them. They have a cute little back design. Here's the side of it. These little ankle straps. And you got a little bling going on, so you can certainly dress up a pair of jeans with these. Once again, they're by White Mountain. And these shoes are a size, let me see. These are a size 9. White Mountain size 9 bling sandals. I have another bag to show you. This bag is by Jones, New York. You can see the side, so you can see how it expands. It has just regular straps that you could put on your shoulder. A little detail in here. The little Jones, New York metal plate on there. Let me show you the inside. You got the zip portion there. You got this part. You got the middle part. And you have another snap closure there, so there's another section right there. So anything you want to fit will fit into this bag by Jones, New York. This next bag that I have is by Kenneth Reaction. Now this one has the shoulder strap attached, but you could always, you know, put it down in there if you don't want that to show. You got the regular handles. In terms of compartments, this one has it all. There's a little compartment there. When you open, you got the middle compartment. Of course, you have the zipper compartment. And then like every other purse I've seen lately, you've got the little spot for your cell phone. It has a zipper closure. Sorry. It has a little zipper closure on it, so you don't have to worry about somebody reaching down in there and grabbing anything out of it. But again, it's by Kenneth Reaction. The next one I want to show you is this little cutie by World Market. It's genuine leather. Okay. It has the drawstrings on the side, or you can carry it by the little ring handles. It's pretty roomy. This is the bottom of it, so you can see the capacity. But it's by World Market. And if you like this one, you can click on the description in the box below. Let me go back to the clothing. This dress is by MSK. It's a stretchy kind of fabric dress. It has cute little bell sleeves with a little split on them. It's plain at the back. And I bet it probably hits you right around in the knee area. Once again, it's a stretch fabric. So it could work for more than people that wear a size 12. Okay, well, that's all I have for your Sunday edition. I would just remind you that if you click on the item, it takes you straight to it. You check out. I'll mail it to you, and you'll have it in a matter of days. I thank you for your attention this evening, and I will see you next week. Have a pleasant evening. Good night.